This is another clip of Scott Farms 2019 spring tillage moldboard plowing. It's so rare that you get to see three of these things lined up plowing in the same field. And I just had to take another video. It's an 8320R in the lead, an 8295R, and an 8370R. And like I said in the earlier video I shot, this is not the most efficient way to plow. It's a whole lot more efficient for them to be working in separate fields, because one of them's always having to wait, if not two of them. But this is the last little piece of a field. It might be 4 acres when they started working together. So they're just trying to finish up. They like to travel together if they can possibly help it when they're roading these tractors, just to look out for one another. I do have to say, I think this 8320R is, whoever set this plow up has got it set up probably the best out of the three. He has less torque steer than just about any of them. You can see right where he just plowed up, there's a lot of roots and stuff that he pulled up with him. They just broke a shear pin or tripped the standard on the 8370R when they were coming through here. I think he just tripped another one. This whole little spot right here where they're plowing at was a home site